Hey guys, so this is my everyday kind of makeup look that I will be showing you guys, and this is my go-to makeup look, which is very quick and simple and easy. So remember guys, when it comes to makeup, there's no any exact rule of what you want to apply first, and you don't have to apply everything on your face. It all depends when it comes to the love of makeup. Even if you are a fan of concealer and you just want to wear concealer and head out of your house, then you can even do that, because there's no such thing as rules. If you don't like blush, then you don't have to wear blush, because nobody's forcing you to in the end of the day. So yeah, first I'll be doing my eyebrows. I'll be using the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. It's one of my favorite. I've lost count how many times I have been using this, like how many times I've repurchased this. So this is the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. It looks like this. I like to always start by doing my eyebrows first. This eyebrow pencil by Innisfree is one of my favorite eyebrow product. So why I keep on repurchasing this is because it's very quick to apply when you're in a hurry on the go and you just want to quickly do your eyebrows. This is a really good product by Innisfree brand, and on top of that the price is also great, and this product lasts for a very long time. You only need a very little bit for application. I really like the spoolie it comes with, so that you can just brush out your eyebrow hair like this and just draw the eyebrows, and that way your eyebrows are good to go. So another product that I really love for achieving that glow is this. It's by MAC and it's the Strobe cream. This is the original version that I got more than a year back, and I really love this. You must have seen this product in so many tutorials, and I've used this so much and still a lot of it is left. So this is one thing that I will again repurchase once I run out of this. I have used other strobe creams in the market, which is this is obviously more on the pricier side, but the other strobe creams, the more affordable one from Maybelline and all the others, I've used that as well. But in the end, I don't feel that satisfaction from the other strobe creams. I always go back to the MAC one, and it's one of the best sellers by MAC, so I love it, and it's a reason why it's really good, like especially for bridal makeup. Oh my god, the makeup artist, it's their favorite for this, because every bride wants that glow for their special occasion. So this is very nice. So I like to apply this over the highlighted, I like a glow here, so mainly on the cheeks I focus more, and a little goes a long way. And what I really like, it definitely feels moisturizing on the face. So because my cheeks are dry, so that way it helps to stay moisturized. As you can see, that glow over here, the light is reflecting. It's very nice. I really like it. Now since I've done my eyebrows and I've applied the strobe cream, the next thing that I really like to use is a concealer, and this is the current concealer. I've been loving it so much, and now it's one of my all-time favorite product now. It's a concealer by The Body Shop. As you can see, I've hit pan already, and I've even put this on my Instagram stories, and one of my girlfriends, she was like, wow, you've already like finished halfway through. So I'm guessing only 20% of the product is left, and I will definitely be repurchasing this concealer, that's for sure. And this is like my exact match, so it gives me a very natural kind of a makeup look. I'm in the shade 042 matte clay. It's from the matte clay range. So what I like to do is use a flat eyeshadow brush, and I just tap just to apply some product under my eyes, and I really like how it covers my dark circles. I'm just using this brush to apply, but for blending I will be using my fingers. So as you can see, it really covers. You can see the difference. So as you can see, all my under eye dark circle is covered up and my eyebrows look much more cleaner, and all the redness around my chin, the acne marks, is all covered up. Another product which once you see it you will understand that I really love this is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. So this is the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and you can see this side I've already used it so much that I will definitely repurchase this one again for sure. So this is the one, this is the side I really like to use for powdering all over my face to set my base. So I really like the powder in this. It's a good match for me. So I'll be using this small brush. This is the one that I like to be using for my on-the-go makeup looks. This is the Real Techniques contouring brush, and really like this size for powder. When it comes to my go-to natural makeup look, mascara, a good mascara is really important, because not to forget eyebrows and a good concealer, but a mascara for the lashes, because if your lashes are fluttering, sometimes that's all you need. So this one by NYX, it's called Worth the Hype, that I have been using for a few weeks now, and I'm really loving it. It's not a waterproof mascara, but it definitely is a long-lasting mascara, and it gives very good length, and that's why I like it. So this is the mascara. It's very fluffy and big, the brush, and I really like the formula of this. I'll show you the difference. So you can see the difference. When compared to the Maybelline mascaras that I've tried, I feel this one really wins compared to the Maybelline one, surprisingly. I love my Maybelline mascaras. I always go back to Maybelline when it comes to their mascaras, but this one, ever since I've started using this, I'm loving it a lot, and I think I will now stick to this mascara until I find another mascara which is better than this in the same price range, because I keep on buying mascara, so I cannot really splurge on a mascara all the time. I've applied my falsies, as you can see, because you guys know by now that how much I love falsies. And now I will apply some highlighter and some lipstick, and then I'll be good to go. And I won't be applying any blush, because I'm not really a blush person, and this is more like get ready with me kind of a tutorial where I show you how I like to do my everyday kind of go-to makeup look when I'm in a hurry. So blush is something, you know, and foundations and contouring is something that I like to skip when I'm in a hurry. Yeah, and I will be using this Mary Luminizer highlighter. It's my favorite. So this is the Mary Luminizer. I've already done a review comparing this with the Maybelline highlighter. So this is how it looks. See? Highlighter is something that I don't want to miss. I love a good glow. So currently I'm really loving the shade by NYX. It's their soft matte lip cream in the shade called Toulouse. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but yeah, I don't know what it means, even the name, but the shade is very beautiful. So guys, as you can see, my makeup look is complete, and I have used all of these products which I really love, and I highly recommend you guys to try it out. Yeah, and I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.